Welcome to Gnomen, the platform that enables estate agents to work smarter. I'm Hassan, the MD of Gnomen, and I'll be your host throughout this training course. If you're new to Gnomen, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you where to go and what to do next. So step 1, please book an appointment with your designated project coordinator. They will hold your hand throughout every step of the process. So your project coordinator will organise any training if required. They will be your main point of contact for your website project. They'll also help you personalise the system with your corporate branding and help you configure the system so that it works best for your business. Okay, moving on to step 2, bookmark the link. Please ensure that when bookmarking the link provided in your email, you save the entire link, including the long set of numbers and letters that you can see here. Now, this is known as your client key, and without the client key you will not be able to sign in. Now moving on to step 3, master the control panel and personalise your system. This is mainly for the account holder or the person that is in charge of dealing with the system's administration. To get the most out of the system, you need to master the settings that are found in the control panel. This is the heart of the system where you have the ability to set up your user permissions, apply restrictions to certain users and groups, automate your workflows, set staff targets, set up your standard letters, emails, contracts and window cards, etc. Please watch the tutorial that covers this topic. And finally, moving on to step 4, visit our support centre that's found here in the top menu. You'll find many useful resources, including our live chat facility, and from there you can move on to watching the remaining video tutorials. Here's a quick recap on what we've just covered.